Hi.
Hi, I need to tell you something. I am breaking up with you. You don't have $1,000 like Jimmy does. You're fat and poor, ugly and disgusting.
So you called me, asked me on a date. You did all that so you could do that.
Pretty much. I'll do anything to be with nice, skinny, rich Jimmy. He has everything you don't.
Wow, you must hate me.
Wow, who wouldn't? You just found that out?
Yes, we are girlfriend and boyfriend. Well, we were sadly.
Not for me. Before this I guess breakup date I called Jimmy and surprisingly he has no girlfriend, just cash.
Thanks.
Oh, anytime.